Ask an expert. Your questions answered by qualified professionals. Informative and insightful. The Ask an Expert series, presented by Penn Mutual. Here's today's question.
Beyond buy-sell planning, how can I help business owner clients prepare for retirement?
Beyond buy-sell planning, how can I help business owner clients prepare for retirement? First thing I want to say about helping business owners plan for retirement, it's probably going to be their biggest concern. Quite often it is. They've worked on this business for a long time in many cases, and this is probably their biggest asset. And this is going to be a very important piece of their retirement. But at the end of the day, they want to make sure that they're able to retire comfortably and be able to take care of their families. Now, retirement for business owners, planning really looks a lot like it does for any other client, except you've obviously got the business to also include. But you've got to understand the personal retirement assets, and then we can go and incorporate the unique role of the business itself. Now, like your typical situation with any client, really, personal retirement assets are going to include Roth and potentially traditional IRAs, non-qualified annuities, and other personal investment accounts. We need to make sure we're looking at those. But then we've got to look at the business and say, what do we have here? What's the situation regarding the business owner's planned retirement? When would they like that to happen? So what's that timeline? And also, are they planning on selling the business, or are they going to transfer it to, let's say, another family member that's involved in the business? And that will obviously impact their retirement income if they're selling it or giving it, of course. So that's an important thing to be aware of. If they retain the business, is there going to be business income coming to them from ongoing profits? Or maybe there's a stream of income that's going to come to them in the form of a structured sale, or maybe they're just going to get it all in one lump sum. So there's a lot of different ways that we could be deriving retirement income from the sale or transfer of the business. And also another thing we need to look at is there an existing qualified retirement plan that the business is sponsoring? There could be retirement income coming from that as well. So we've got to look at that. We've got to look at those personal retirement assets, look at the potential retirement stream of income coming from the business if they sell or retire. And we have to look at it in a very integrated way and come up with a plan that helps them achieve their retirement income goals. For more insights, sales ideas, and marketing content on business planning strategies, or if you have a specific case you'd like to discuss, contact the Advanced Sales team at Penn Mutual at advancedsales@pennmutual.com or 1-800-818-8184, option 8.